asked to cater a wedding in Joshua Tree, California, and I leave tomorrow morning. First solo catering gig, first destination wedding in another country. I live in Montreal. We're meeting in Palm Springs. We'll be staying at a rental house for the week, and that is where I will be doing all of the prep cooking. And then on the day of the wedding, we will be going to the venue in Joshua Tree. Actually not allowed to run any sort of catering operation out of the house's kitchen. There's an outbuilding where we'll create a makeshift kitchen. I'll be bringing hot plates, coolers, 2 fold-out tables, to make it all happen. Let's see if I can pull it off. Just want to lounge by the pool all day, but Mama's gotta work.
Hey Louie, most precious 3-legged dog in the world.
I got here last night, really late. The wedding's on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Starting the shopping. Got my little rental car. The sun is shining. There's so many logistics that we'll just see. We'll see how we do. Barely push this cart because it's so damn heavy. I was just in Walmart for so long. I'm going to Trader Joe's for the first time ever, which I'm so excited about. All right, next stop. Okay, I see why you like Trader Joe's. I get it, I get it. Been grocery shopping for 6 or 7 hours. Finally secured Malden finishing salt and the one and only Diamond Crystal kosher salt, which I cannot believe the rebranding. I don't know how I feel about it. Shopping is done for the day. It is night 1 of cooking. I'm gonna marinate olives, roast garlic, make a salad crunch, make almond brittle, pickle some shallots. Looking at my list, I think that's it. Soak some cashews.
Kitchen assistant.
It is 8 a.m. and we are going to the farmer's market and I'm very excited. This is my gorgeous room and a lot of the groceries are in here with me.
You too. Hey, how we doing today?
Hi, good, how are you? Strawberries, California strawberries. Heirloom tomatoes. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous things. How cute. I bought so much stuff and they gave me a bag of fresh medjool dates. So many herbs, so many greens. It smells so good back here. Beautiful things. I got almost everything except basil and peaches. It's more of a summer thing, and this is a spring wedding. Scrap the grilled peaches, unfortunately, and just go heirloom tomato. But yeah, things are going pretty good. It's so hard to find edible flowers in Palm Springs. I found one lovely person at the farmer's market, but I have to drive another half hour tomorrow morning to pick them up at the next farmer's market, which that's fine, I guess. This is the day before the wedding, and I essentially have to cook everything today. But we got a lot to do. Broth going. I'm making the cake now. The oven is chiming. It is at temperature. Let's do it.
Okay, these are so pretty.
They're so cute. I'm so happy.
Oh.
We're trying in Palm Springs. Been cooking for 10 hours. Wedding's tomorrow. It's 8 a.m. It's the day of the wedding. Cart is packed to the brim, full of all the prepped food and kitchen equipment. Let's go. Palm Springs to Joshua Tree. Turned on to the road. Holy shit. We just got to the venue and it is mind-blowingly beautiful. The one person that was hired to help me plate up in the kitchen during services called in sick an hour before we start, so I'm gonna be flying solo here. Yeah.
The panic.
She's like, are you serious right now?
This is great. We want to see the stress.
Not yet.
Did they like it? Did
Yes,
they say
she did. Loved
Yeah.
it. I'm leaving Palm Springs. It was such a beautiful trip. I feel very grateful. And I am at the outdoor lounge at the Palm Springs airport. Once you get through security, you're just outside. I love that. What more could you ask for?